Hello everyone, welcome back to another banger video. Today we're going to be talking about asynchronous programming in JavaScript, and we're going to focus on three main components: callbacks, promises, and async or await. So yeah, let's hop right into it. Asynchronous programming allows JavaScript to perform non-blocking operations, meaning it doesn't have to wait for an operation to finish before moving on to the next one. Now let's move on to our first topic, callbacks. Callbacks are functions passed as arguments to other functions. They allow us to write asynchronous code in a synchronous manner. Now let's have a look at a basic example to illustrate this. In this example, we define a function greet that takes a callback function as an argument. Inside greet, we first log hello, then call the callback function. When we call greet with an anonymous function that logs this is a callback function, we see the messages printed in order. Promises in JavaScript represent the eventual completion or failure of an asynchronous operation and its resulting value. Let's move on to a code example for a clearer understanding. In this example, we create a new promise that either resolves with promises resolved or rejects with promises rejected. We then use then to handle the resolved promise and catch to handle the rejected promise. The async and await keywords in JavaScript are used to work with promises in a more comfortable synchronous manner. So here's an example of how we can do this. Go ahead and copy a link. In this example, we define a synchronous and asynchronous function fetchUser that fetches a user from a URL. The await keyword makes JavaScript wait until the promise settles and then returns its result. Right, so that's going to be it for this video. If you found it helpful, drop a like, drop a comment down below, and we'll catch you in the next one.